wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Wow, Sunny, I love your singing.
Thanks, I love to sing.
I love to sing songs too. Wait, I noticed something. The word sing and song both start with the same sound. Did you notice that, Sunny?
Mm-hmm.
Did you notice that too? Let's listen again. Sing, song. What sound is that? Yes, awesome. It is the sound S, and the letter S makes the sound S. Can you try that? Can you say S? When I'm making the sound S, my tongue is on the back of my bottom teeth. And then my lips go out. Look. Then I blow air out of my mouth and my mouth goes out and it looks like this. Can you try that? Nice.
I think it's time for our letter sound song today.
I think it's time for our letter sound song too, Sunny. Okay, so remember, you are going to sing along with us and say the letter sound of the day, which is S. Okay, here we go. Sounds, sounds, they're all around. Sounds, sounds, they're up and down. Let's say our sound of the day. We can say it in many different ways. Say it slow like a sloth. Say it loud like a lion. Say it quiet as a mouse. Say it proud like a polar bear. Letter sounds, sounds, they're all around. Sounds, sounds, they're up and down. You did such a great job working on our letter sound of the day, which was S. I'm Geraldine.
I'm Sunny.
And thanks for learning with us today. Bye, friends.